Tracking your expenses doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be quite simple and even empowering. There are fantastic apps designed to make tracking your spending a breeze. These tools can help you stay on top of your finances with minimal effort. When you track your spending, you gain valuable insights into your financial habits. You can see where your money is going and make informed decisions. Take charge of your finances and watch your financial well-being soar. By being mindful of your spending, you can ensure that your money works for you, not against you. Now let's talk about financial goals and how they shape our future. Setting clear, specific, and realistic financial goals is crucial for success. Think of your financial goals as your personal GPS, guiding you towards your dreams and aspirations. Short-term goals like saving for a down payment or paying off a credit card keep you motivated and on track. Long-term goals, such as investing for retirement or buying your dream home, help you stay focused on the bigger picture.